Simple Car Guy here, and today we are doing a quick mod that should elevate the look of your BMW by simply replacing the standard body-colored mirror cap with this awesome carbon fiber replacement. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes per side, and it will work exactly the same on your BMW X3, X4, X5, X6, and X7, just like this vehicle. So let's get started. In order to remove the mirror cap, we have to remove the actual mirror, since the clips that are holding it in place are behind here. So the first thing we're going to do is push this into the corner as much as we can, just like that. And then we can use one of these trim removal tools. And what we're trying to do is find a little circle behind the mirror that we can stick this in and unclip the mirror. There's wires in there as well, so you don't want to break anything, but this is kind of the process. And this is a BMW approved process, by the way. I'm not making this up. There it is. So what I was trying to do is to stick this between here, this little circle, and the little clips right here. So if you can kind of get it up and in there and push it up, it'll make it a lot easier to pull the mirror out. Now we can just leave it hanging like this. It is being held by a few different wires. Of course, if you were replacing the actual mirror, you would unplug everything and just swap the new one in. But we don't care about that. What we do care about is actually the clips, which is one here, and I think that's it. So we just got to unclip those two clips, and then we'll be able to pull this off. Well, there's a few extra clips at the bottom, but those are the main ones that are holding it in place. Here's the first clip. I'm just going to push it in, make sure it moves and kind of stays in that position, which it does. Here's the second one, same thing. But now at the same time, I'm going to be pulling back on the mirror while I'm doing that. There it is. It's coming. Okay, so it came out just a little bit, which is good. Now I'm going to do the other one and pull from this side. There it is. Okay, so both of those clips are now loose, which is great. And that's what it looks like from the side. So we have some movement now. But we have a few more clips at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is slowly work it out, move them up and down, just like that. And they all pop out. As you can see, I just did it live. Did not break any clips, which is important because I'm gonna keep these in case I want to sell the car and somebody doesn't like the new carbon fiber look mirrors or whatever. I can just put these back on. Takes, like I said, about 10 minutes. So that's perfect. Also, we can see that the clips on here are all in good condition, nothing broke. So this is a good method. So obviously we're gonna install this next. And if we turn it around, we see the same clips. They definitely feel a little bit cheaper than OEM, but this was only like 60 bucks, so it kind of makes sense. And the install is, well, easier than the removal, right? So we're just gonna line these up, make sure they all line up, and then push it in. So it helps if you just look from the top. And that's it. Look at that. You can see the line is perfectly straight, probably better than on a Tesla. All right, if we push this back, we can now clip the mirror back. You definitely want to make sure none of these clips are broken. But yeah, we're just going to clip it in. You want to line this little nub with this part right here. I think it would be difficult to not line it up, but and then we just go around the circle, so we know where the circle was. Push it in until everything's clicked in. Put the mirror back on its spot, and we're done. And there you have it, guys. Another simple DIY. We just replaced this grille a few days ago. Now we've replaced this mirror to kind of match that. There's a few more things I want to do before it starts looking good and kind of everything matches together. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, I think it looks much better than this simple round one. It does have a little bit more definition and obviously has the little winglet here that kind of adds a little bit of character. I do like it a lot. Pretty simple DIY, would definitely recommend. If you'd like to get yours, check out the links in the description. Of course, you can get them whatever you want. Or if you just broke one of these and you need to replace it, well, You just saw how to do it. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like the video if you liked it. Check out this video where I show you how to replace the grill on this car, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And yes, that works just fine.